What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So SoFi continues to sell off lower. You can see that it came back up to test that trend line after it broke it. So you can see that price was finding support from this trend line on the bottom, and then the bears were able to break it. Price bounced from the low $7 level, retraced to that trend line, found resistance, and now it's selling off lower. So price is not looking like it's following this range pattern anymore. It looks like it wants to continue trend down lower. So again, SoFi is headed lower because that's what the measure move target is. We have one leg down right here. This is the second leg down. This is the first attempt by the sellers to reach it that failed. This was a second attempt to reach that measure target that failed. And then this is this third push to reach that measurement target. So this could be the final push. So again, if the bears, this could actually be the second push. So if the bears don't reach the target soon in this impulse right here, there's a good chance we'll probably still see price move up higher and get a bounce because we are approaching support. There was a lot of support right back over here at the 668. So that's where price is probably headed next. It looks bearish, so the expectation is lower prices. And if we don't find support there, the target that the bears are trying to reach the entire time is the 520. So again, short-term bearish, medium-term bearish as well. Long-term, we'll have to wait and see, obviously. But again, SoFi is looking like it wants to trend down lower. Let me see if I can draw a trend line off of these swing highs. And then we have that measure move target to the downside in play, like I said before, at the 520. And you see that this was the first attempt that failed. We saw a correction up, and this is the second attempt. So we could still see another drop even if we do see a bounce up. So something like that. I would want to see a break of this trend line right here for price to continue moving up higher. Maybe a break, pullback, and then a breakout of these prior highs too. So again, SoFi basically short-term bearish and most likely will continue trend down lower. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart is not showing a good sign at all either. Just a simpler version where that price was in this, looks like a range pattern right about there, finding support at the high fours, and we can even make the range bigger now, and it fits pretty good. So if we make the range a little bit larger, it looks like we're finding resistance at the low to mid 10s, finding support right around the mid to high fours. And if we came back inside this range, where do you think price is headed? Price goes from the highs to the lows, lows to the highs. So highs right here, lows is back over here. So again, SoFi, it's not guaranteed to get there, but it is headed in that direction. So if we do see a failure to reach this measure move target, like I mentioned, at the 520, because this was one leg down right here, and then we saw the first attempt by the sellers, a correction, second attempt. If we do see this fail by the bears, the bulls being able to break this trend line, finding support off of this low right here, that would lead to a large rally because the bears cannot reach the target. There's a good chance the bulls can make another large leg up. So something like that can definitely take place for SoFi Technologies. Just like it wasn't guaranteed to reach the target to the upside, it's not guaranteed to reach the target to the downside. So we'll see how this plays out, but as of right now, there is room to the downside, and I'll be expecting a little bit more downside for SoFi Technologies, probably to the maybe the mid 6, and then we'll see what happens from there. That's all I have for SoFi Technologies on the daily and weekly charts. Most likely, I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.